The 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is here to redefine what people expect from a modern SUV, combining style, efficiency, and practicality in one complete package. The exterior has been given a sharper and more dynamic look, with bold lines across the body, a refreshed grille design, slimmer LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile that adds to its sporty, yet sophisticated appeal. The stance feels confident with new alloy wheel options, a more aggressive bumper, and subtle updates that make it stand out on the road while still keeping the rugged identity the RAV4 is known for. Stepping inside, the 2026 RAV4 Hybrid offers a cabin that balances comfort, technology, and functionality. Premium materials are used across the dashboard, seats, and trims, giving a more upscale feel. The spacious interior provides ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, making long journeys more comfortable. The latest infotainment system is centered on a large, high-resolution touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paired with an upgraded digital driver's display for a more futuristic driving experience. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and available leather seating create an inviting and modern atmosphere. Cargo space remains one of the RAV4's strongest points, offering plenty of practicality for family trips and everyday use. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 Hybrid is powered by Toyota's latest hybrid system, delivering improved fuel economy and smoother performance compared to its predecessors. The hybrid powertrain combines a responsive gasoline engine with efficient electric motors, providing strong acceleration and seamless transitions between power sources. Drivers can enjoy a balance of performance and efficiency, with excellent handling, refined suspension, and an available all-wheel drive system for added confidence in different driving conditions. The overall driving experience is refined, quiet, and efficient, making the 2026 Toyota